Predict Tone Adaptation is support software for a specific operational decision. Predicts appropriate tone adjustments based on context and user preferences. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that support teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Predict Tone Adaptation narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Predict Tone Adaptation starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include customer sentiment, customer tier, previous escalations, interaction urgency, and topic sensitivity. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate the recommended empathy level for the response by adjusting for customer sentiment, required empathy baseline, and previous escalations, while moderating based on interaction urgency. Determine the appropriate level of technical detail for the response based on customer tier and topic sensitivity, ensuring information is accessible yet sufficiently detailed. Calculate the formality adjustment from the brand baseline by considering customer sentiment, interaction urgency, and topic sensitivity to match communication style expectations. Compute a response length multiplier based on the empathy score, technical detail level, and interaction urgency to guide appropriate response thoroughness. And calculate a composite index representing the overall balance between empathy, technicality, and formality to assess tone appropriateness. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how support teams actually make decisions. Predict Tone Adaptation returns structured outputs such as empathy score, technical detail, formality adjustment, response length multiplier, and tone parameter sensitivity matrix. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of Predict Tone Adaptation is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated support work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.